The science behind solar panels turning sunlight into power. In biology class, we learned that plants use sunlight to make their own food through photosynthesis. This can lead to a simple but interesting question. How can sunlight also be used to produce electricity? Today, solar panels are used in many ways, such as powering homes, heating waters, and charging electric vehicles. Solar power is becoming more common because it is clean and renewable. According to IRENA 2019, solar energy grew by 179 terawatts per hour in 2021, showing how fast it is being adopted. As this technology continues to grow, it is important to understand how it actually works. Solar panels use solar cells to harvest sun's rays, which are then converted into direct current, which is turned into usable alternating current power for household and industries using photovoltaic effect. Solar panels will produce electricity by using sunlight as their main source of energy. This starts when the sun's light hits the surface of the panel. Each panel contains solar cells made from silicon which absorbs the light and responds to it. The light carries tiny particles called photons. These photons hit the silicon, cause electrons to move. When the electron begins to flow, direct current or DC electricity is formed. The US Department of Energy 2002 explains that the sunlight gives energy to the electrons, which allows them to move freely through the materials. IRENA 2019 adds that silicon works well because it collects light and allows electrons to travel easily. Energy Sage 2023 mentions that the electricity then flows through the panel and is sent out as the first usable energy made by the system. This energy is later converted into a type that can be used by homes. In conclusion, the solar panels begin by taking in sunlight and turning into DC electricity. This step is what start of the process of making clean energy for daily use. Solar panels are not only used for creating electricity, they also help people save money and reduce harm for the environment. According to Energy Sage 2023, families who use solar power can save around $10,000 to $30,000 over the full life of the system. These savings make solar panels a smart choice for long-term use. Another reason why they are very helpful is that they do not cause pollution. The US Department of Energy 2002 says that the solar panels does not produce smoke or dirty water and does not release greenhouse gases. That means it is much safer for the air and water. In addition to that, solar panels are strong and last many years. Most of them can work about 25 to 30 years with a little need for fixing and cleaning. This benefit shows that solar energy is clean, smart, and practical opinion for homes and communities. In conclusion, solar panels are a good investment because they help save money, protect nature, and work for a long time with a little effort. Even though solar panels offer many benefits, there are still some challenges that affect their use. One of the biggest problems is the high cost of buying and installing a full solar system. The US Department of Energy 2022 shares that a system for a home can cost between $15,000 to $25,000. This makes hard for some families to afford. Another issue is that the solar panels do not make electricity at night and produce less during cloudy days. The National Renewable Energy Laboratory 2021 points out that this makes energy storage more important so power is available when sunlight is low. Some people use storage devices like a Tesla Powerwall. Tesla 2023 explains that while it helps store extra energy for later, it also raises the overall cost by several $1,000s. These problems show that solar energy is not perfect. It still needs improvement so that more people can use it without facing financial or technical barriers. To end, solar panels are useful, but they also have limitations. More research and new technology can help solve these problems and make solar power more available for everyone. In conclusion, solar panels work by using light from the sun to make electricity. This process is called photovoltaic effect. They help people to save money, provide clean power, and last for many years. However, there are still problems such as high costs and the need for batteries to store extra energy. Even with these challenges, solar panels are still improving and becoming more common. Many homes and businesses are now choosing to use solar energy. One day, solar panels may become cheaper and more powerful. If that happened, more people around the world will be able to use clean energy every day.